Greetings everyone, this is me Suhani Ahlawat and today we have to study with friction. Not wasting the time, let me tell you one thing, please subscribe our channel for daily updates about studies and about entertainment. We kept the name all round, we are doing all the things you can watch in our playlist etc. So we have to study about friction today, right? So this complete chapter is very important. There are the 5 topics mainly we are okay. So force of friction, there are 5 main things. First, force of friction. Second, factors affecting friction. Third thing is like friction necessary evil. Fourth thing, reducing or increasing the friction. It's different, increasing and reducing, same like that. Okay, we use reduce the friction and fluid friction. 5 topics will be left after this video, because in this video we are going to cover up with the intro, which we are covered up, that we are going to study what in this chapter. Now the first topic we are going to cover in this video is force of friction. So without wasting the time, let us start with force of friction. So let us study with friction. So this is the chapter friction. I prepared a small PPT over here. This is a small PPT which I prepared. PPT means PowerPoint presentation. If you want how to make a PPT, you can see the video how to make a good PPT over there. Okay. So force of friction. Let us move further toward the next one slide. In this we are going to study something. So 1 second guys, 1 second. Its brush should be some bit thin. Now you can start studying over it. First thing is, force of a friction is a force which opposes the motion of an object over a surface. Means, what is the force of friction? Force of the friction is a force which opposes the motion. For example, if I am moving in this direction, the force of friction will be moving from the opposite direction, So I want to give you a proper definition over here, that what is force of friction, which I am going to show you in the last of the video. I'm going to give you some examples. You will be clearly know that what is force of friction. For example, this is a ball and you kick it. Okay, you kick it, you applied force over here. You know how the force is applied. Now it is moving in this direction. Now my question to you is, will this ball never stop? क्या ये बॉल कभी नहीं रुकेगी? ऑब्वियसली थोड़ा सा दूर जाके वो रुक जाएगी. मे बी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वो दूर जाएगी, जितना आपने फोर्स उस पर अप्लाई किया है उतना ही उसी के अकॉर्डिंग वो दूर जाएगी. बट माई क्वेश्चन टू यू इज, विल द बॉल नेवर स्टॉप? No, this is the no. It will stop. It will surely stop. But why this will stop? You have applied a force. Why it will stop? This is because the friction will act on it. The force of the friction acts between the object and the surface. For example, the ball rolling over here. For example, let me make a square box over here. This is a ball. This is a ground. It is moving over here in this direction. Now the force will friction of direction. This means opposite direction. It will always. This is not any, there is no chance. There is no acceptation, because this will surely oppose the motion. That is why it is force of friction. No, so it will move in this direction. Will it stop? Yes, due to some irregularities on the surface, it will surely stop. That is why we are applying the force of friction over here. Simple. This is how the force of friction applied. Now a ball rolling is done. Because why it stops? Because due to the friction between this ball and the ground, the ball stops. Simple. Ball, ground, friction, it stops. Okay, so the answer to the boy question, to this boy question, is yes, no. The answer is no. It will stop. It will stop. It will surely stop moving. Now moving further towards the next slide over here. The slides is very important. If you want to see the slide, and if you want all this PPT, you can go in the description and check the link over there. So next one. Okay. So at the end of the lesson, when we are going to complete the lesson, you will be know explain how friction acts on objects, identify factors affecting the friction, describes the types of friction, identify the ways in which friction help us in our daily life, and surely we are going to have a quiz at the end of this video. At the end of the video, we are going to have a quiz. Means I am going to prepare a small quiz or PPT like this only, and we are going to study about it. Okay. So let us move further. So this is something spring balance. We have to study in this next video Z3 PPT. Now I told you that I will tell you two proper definition to write over the friction. So these are the two proper definition to write over the friction. Friction is a frictional. Friction means frictional force is that in act in the opposite direction to the movement. It's act in the different direction. It acts in the opposite direction to the movement in which the movement is taking place. It will surely opposes that opposite to that movement. The force of friction which always opposes the motion of the object over the another object, the contact with it is called friction. Now these are the two proper definition of friction. If you don't remember the definition, you have to keep remembering that. You have to just stuck in your mind these two definitions. If you write these two definitions in any examination, I am sure, this is my guarantee, no one can say that this particular definition is incomplete or it is incorrect, etc. So I hope you get the clear knowledge about it, that what is a friction. So this was whole concept of friction. We are going to study more in further videos. So in the next video, what we are going to cover, I told you in the starting. So thank you for watching the video. And yes, we are not going to end up this chapter over here. We are going to complete whole the series. So do subscribe our channel. Thank you.